Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm actually at Allegra today, and how it works is that you give them your MultiSport card and they give you a key. So I'll just take you through with me. I think the plan for today is just to go on the treadmill and do some exercises. So I've downloaded the Nike fitness app, so I'll also do some exercises that are on there for beginners. So I'm just looking to just start moving. I also don't want to overcommit myself and overdo it. So that's why I'm actually using the app and also Google. So I'll clip on what I do just in the beginning, because I don't want to sort of overdo it to a point where my body can't take it or it's too much. So I really want to go at a slow pace and build up on it. So yeah, let's go, let's have some fun. And after that, I'm actually planning to just enjoy their spa. So they have a jacuzzi, swimming pool. I think I'll probably have a read and maybe sauna. We'll see. Let's go. So they give you a key with your locker number. When you get there, you just open your locker. Has some hangers, has some space. So I take off the shoes that I was using outside. I also have an outfit that I wear going to gym, so I take that off, pack it in the locker stuff. And then I'm just gonna take this because I'm gonna start at gym. Take my water, wear my shoes, all changed up into gym wear. Let's go. Let's go, people. I also got this watch so I can use it as a timer. We'll see. It smells so good. There is not many people. It is actually Saturday around 3 p.m. So there's not many people, which is really awesome. Can now show you guys the gym better. So they have all the different treadmills. Probably those are the towels that you rent. Oh my, scary. I'm joking. And they have this section. I think I'll use this when I'm doing those Nike exercises. There is almost like absolutely nobody. Okay, let's do something. I have a workout plan, so I should actually follow that. Let's do this quick start. Let's increase my incline. So I'll do incline for the first 5 minutes at 3. Speed also at 3. Let's go. I'm just gonna start with walking. This is the first 5 minutes. Kilometers. Don't use another machine. 23 calories. I don't want to rest too much. I actually want to try to use this one instead. Guys, I'm still figuring this out. Let's do manual. Let's just have a quick start. Speed. Keep the speed at 3. Incline needs to be 4 for the next 5 minutes. And this is actually running, so. I want to increase the speed. I increase it because it's like so slow. But okay, it's good for my body. It's what's advised, so fine. I don't want to overwork myself. I feel like I'm going up a mountain slowly. I'm actually walking. Incline is 5, speed 3.2. More calories, I think. Last 5 minutes. I gotta run. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Sweating. Let's go, baby. Ooh, the running is the most crippling, I have to say. Walking is more pleasurable. 45 seconds left. Come on. We can run, we can run. Oh. 10 seconds. Come on. Done. 67 calories. Yeah, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna rest for like 5 minutes before I do the next exercises. I have an urge to use the ladies. I don't know if you guys also have this urge, because I actually went to the ladies before starting, so it can't be that I need it like my legs. I can feel it, and I'm feeling a little bit, I don't know, lightheaded. I did eat before this at the ladies. Have some to hang your towel. The toilet is clean, Shin. It's quite decent to clean. I'll be using Nike app for this, so I'll actually just do a screen record of the workout. That might be better. Let's go. Let's go. So I did this 10-minute Bodyweight Burn lower body basics. So basically this is available on the Nike app, and they walk you through like what to do, and you follow and you do it along with them as they're doing it. So these are just the exercises that I was doing. The app is actually free, so you can just download it and follow whatever workouts that you need. So I chose this. It's sort of a program that's for 10 exercises. So this was the first one, and then I have 3 exercises per week. They have a lot of workouts, so you really choose what's suitable for you and when. So, 40 minutes altogether. one thing for sure, I'm drinking more water, which is great. Now I am going to go for a shower, and then I will go chill by the pool. I don't think I will swim today, so I'll just chill there, read a book, and yeah, let's see. I'm just gonna go to the spa zone or spa area after I take a shower, and then change into spa zone outfit. I have this little plastic to put all my sweaty wet stuff, then I'll put it in the outside pocket. Shower time. Shower time. So they have showers, and they have, okay, this was recently used, this was vacant. Okay, so you have this space to put stuff. This is closed. You can also hang your towels over here. Oh, let's take a shower. Now I'm going to change into swimwear, and yeah, maybe I will swim, maybe I won't. Let's put some sunscreen. All set. I have a nice read, swimwear on, towel. Let's go. Wellness and spa, so let's go this way for the pool. Caution, wet floor. Okay. My legs, as I'm walking down these stairs, I can feel it. Yo. Yay, nobody. Even wanna pro. Wow. Reminds me so much of Johannesburg. Ooh, the lighting, child. The lighting, darling. Please. Ooh, nobody by the jacuzzi. Should actually enjoy here a little bit. Let's just chill by the jacuzzi, and yeah, before we hit the pool. Yeah. I enjoyed the jacuzzi. I do want to go for a swim, so I will. I just had a great swim. Now I just need to get a towel to wrap my head so my hair can dry a little bit. I think I will go to the sauna just for 5 minutes or something before I go home. So, great. Just came from the sauna. I was there for like 10 minutes or so, and sweating, and sweating. Oh, that was great. Thank you guys for joining me on this day. I feel sleepy, relaxed, refreshed. I feel so good. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and then please do share with me, what are you guys doing for training, keeping active? If you have some tips that you would like to share, please feel free to drop it in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video.